Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ka designers.com kawai niki company ka bapenmi ikilai bapher kala penong ya kajing ya kenduk lang jong kinong di ya kini kitiar nakaleng ka jela Meghalaya hasilong club hakani kasni kinong mikmat na ka designers.com kila batay bha halor kitiar kibakani ka company ka penmi khnang ba kinong di ya kini kitiar kinla ban batay sikipat ba bat pakipat ba kibakwa ban thien ya kini kitiar kin snow tho bha hakani ka jingya kendu kila batay ru baki pat ba kila ban ai jingmon syaka company yaki design khnang ba ka company kan la ban shna katkum ka jingkwa ka jongki shu kila ya thuru baki pat ba kila ban order pa yaki mar ki baki kwa da ka bapet ha ka website jong ka company ka designers.com bat hadian kani haba ka company ka yoi baki pat ba ki thrang ban phien kin sala ban penmi yakini kitiar shayo jahat bandi.
DesignNest is not a Chinese product. Okay, of course, the entire world assembles their products at China, right from Apple to anyone that you can think of. Okay, so the brand is from Netherlands. It's a European brand, right? The entire conceptualization of DesignNest is actually, if you have heard of institute called the Delft University of Industrial Designing. That is considered to be one of the pioneering institutions for industrial design across the world. Okay, so a few people from Delft, they actually ideated this entire, you can say, concept called DesignNest. So basically, it's like a consortium or it's a platform for any budding designer to come and share their ideas. So all of the products that you see there, or which you have been selling at your stores, understand it is just people like you and me, okay, who would have thought of an idea that, okay, let me design a lamp. So I'm sure, I mean, there are thousands of different lamp designs available across the world, right? But let's say somebody from Netherlands pops up an idea that, okay, I can design a lamp which looks like let's say the hang balance lamp. Okay, he thinks that the design is very unique and the approach is unique. So the second step is, how do I make this concept a reality? So that is where a platform like DesignNest kicks in. So DesignNest gives that opportunity to that designer, okay, of actually making his dream a reality. So if you have heard of fundraising and Kickstarter campaigns, do you know what is a Kickstarter campaign? So let's say you might have come across those ads during Facebook while you browse Facebook or any social media sites, where you would see a product which would say you can pre-order this product or pre-book this product. And let's say when this product becomes a reality, you will get it at a special price. And let's say the product will take about 5 months to get delivered. So if you show interest, okay, you're basically kickstarting the commercial feasibility of that product. Okay, so let's say you can book that product for $10. They do not release the official price of the product yet. So you put $10 into it, and you are like somebody who is interested in the product. So DesignNest exactly does that. If you ever visit DesignNest.com, the official website of the brand, you will be able to see a lot of products, okay, which are still under the conceptualization of kickstarting campaigns, where you can go and show interest, and let's say the moment it reaches a commercial feasibility. So I think of that if there are 5,000 pre-orders, let's say for this product, I can make this a reality. The moment I get 5,000 people's interest in that product, okay, I go ahead and I commercialize the product and I declare a final price. So post that, so let's say Vikasji is the designer, he gives the product to me, I kickstart it. Once I reach my limit and I make that product a commercial feasibility and the product starts selling, Vikasji gets royalty for every product that is sold globally. 4 different versions. Of course, this the one you see here is the regular size of the hang lamp, which is there on the display table. But you also have a small mini hang lamp which is there. You also have a hang lamp which is made out of pure aluminium. You also have a hang lamp which is made out of pure teak wood. Of course, they will come in different price bands, but there are various different versions of hang lamp available.
And I'm sure this will take all of us a long way in the future. So I would like that each of you please go through the products carefully and try and explain the uniqueness of each product to your customers. It's only when the customers are highlighted with the features of the product that we will be able to sell these products, and which will benefit each and every one of us in the near future. Thank you once again for coming, and please enjoy the evening.
I'm Naomi, one of the co-founders of Designist, and I'm very excited that HDST has organized this event for their important partners from the northeastern states. And I'm very glad that by now Designist and HDST have completed their one-year partnership. And during this year, HDST has launched our products at Tata, Chroma, Spencer's, and I'm glad that our products are available at these amazing retail spaces. I'm actually looking forward to seeing them there myself one day. And there are more surprises on the way. HDST and Designist are working hard to launch new products on the Indian market. So stay tuned for what's to come. Enjoy the